If you're looking to design custom client portals with SuiteDash, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, I'll show you how to use SuiteDash's features to create client portals that are not only functional, but also personalized to your needs. Whether you're running a business or managing multiple clients, SuiteDash offers a range of tools to make your job easier. But stick around till the end because I'll also be sharing some alternatives that might actually serve your purpose better. First, let's dive into how SuiteDash lets you customize your client portals. SuiteDash provides a clean and intuitive interface where you can tailor everything from the branding to the content layout. You can change colors, upload logos, and adjust the overall style to fit your brand's look, which is essential for a professional image. But the question is, does it offer flexibility for truly unique customization? That's something we'll explore next. Next, SuiteDash allows you to add and customize the widgets in each portal. These widgets could be files, forms, or project management tools, and you can choose what your clients see. If you want to make your portal a true one-stop shop for everything your clients need, SuiteDash lets you do that. You can also set permissions on each widget, ensuring that only authorized people can access certain information. However, while it's great for basic customization, the flexibility could be limiting if you're looking for something super advanced. The third thing you need to know about SuiteDash is its communication features. You can set up client-specific messaging, task management, and even set reminders or deadlines. This can be a huge time saver, especially if you have a lot of ongoing projects. It integrates email notifications and keeps everything organized in one place. But is it as seamless as it sounds? Sometimes the notifications can be overwhelming, and if you're managing a large number of clients, it can get a bit chaotic. Now let's talk about security. SuiteDash has built-in security features, including data encryption, so your client information is safe. You can also configure two-factor authentication, making it an appealing option if you're handling sensitive data. But like with most software, you might find some issues with customer support when setting up these advanced features, which can slow you down a bit. Next, let's look at SuiteDash's integrations. The software supports integrations with platforms like Google Drive, Stripe, and QuickBooks, which makes it easy to connect your client portal with the other tools you're already using. This can help streamline your workflows, but not all integrations are as seamless as advertised. You might run into some hiccups when connecting to third-party services. Finally, let's talk about the pricing. SuiteDash offers a great range of features for the price, and you get a solid amount of customization for what you're paying. However, some users have pointed out that the pricing could feel a little high compared to the limited customization options in some areas. But don't worry, because I'll mention some alternatives in just a bit that might suit your needs better, especially if you're focused on custom client portal creation. So, while SuiteDash offers a decent range of features, you might find yourself limited by its customization options, especially if you're working on something more unique or complex. The good news is that we have an exclusive extended free trial offer for SuiteDash, giving you more time to explore it. But if you're looking for even more customization and flexibility, I've got some fantastic alternatives for you that are also worth checking out, and they come with free trials too. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching!